moved and seconded. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is the late item. We'll put on now. Is on the board there that council will adopt the Kinloch representative group recommendation. Therefore, approves the variation of the licence occupied for Central Kids Kindergarten Trust. Kathy, did you want to talk to this one?
Yes, thank you. I did raise this as an item last month after our Kinloch representative group meeting. This certainly frees up the hall and also allows the kindergarten to operate longer sessions, which gives more security to the parents, etc., and great for our community. So I would certainly ask that the recommendation be accepted.
You happy to move that?
I would like to move that, please.
Seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried.